Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Brilliant Scanner Pro. So if you don't know what this is, this is basically an app that lets you earn money by scanning a lot of QR codes. So as you can see, they say that it is an easy to use QR code scanner that offers simple and efficient way to scan and read all types of QR codes and barcodes. So it has built-in quick scanning feature, so I don't know what that does since the QR code is built into your phone, not the app. So I don't know how they come up with this built-in quick scanning feature. So that seems to be a red flag. So right here, they actually said here on My Room is My Office, which is a blog post about it. So is Brilliant Scanner Pro legit? Does it pay? No, beating around the bush. It doesn't pay. Zero, zilch. So Brilliant Scanner Pro is a shameless fake reward app, and the programmer is cashing in on your wasted effort. So there's coins, monopoly money. That's $500 payout, a fantasy. You'll slog to 5,000 coins only to hear nothing, no PayPal ping, no Amazon code, nada. The developers playing you like a fiddle. They're not even subtle about it. So please do not fall for this app. Apps like these are very obviously a scam since it is too good to be true. Since how could they pay you by just scanning QR codes or just playing easy games? So please do not fall for these types of games or these apps since they are really, if it is too good to be true, then it is. Most probably it is. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.